Hello there, my name's Taylor, and this is the video that hopefully was able to get attached over and sent to you. So, just to get started, go in here. Yeah. Most of these wires right here are for my ECM that I am missing the ECM. It's for an Microtech LT9C. It sadly walked off from a ex-roommate. You know how that stuff is. But anyways, so I have a few wires here. These ones that are the same ones. I think maybe potentially both these. Let me figure out where these go. Make sure I get. Sorry. These ones. This one down here. I believe they go over the relays. Yeah, basically this whole area. Relays, fuse box, and I know basically where everything of the battery box goes, but just in case, that fuse box too. I need to figure out where they go and make sure that everything's going on, because last time I was able to properly get stuff kind of checked up. The sunroof worked, windows worked, locked worked, turned on just fine. BP in the dash. I'm not sure about the horn. Headlights, blinkers, taillights, not fully sure on those. Let's see. What else? Main thing is I'm trying to get it to crank over. If I can at least get it to crank over, then I'm at least in progress of getting this thing done. That's kind of my main goal. And it looks like these wires that I just showed you earlier are what potentially could be preventing them. I know the fuse block, battery block, fuse block, whatever you want to call it. That thing has some wires that I know go to them, but the problem is the clip inside of it's broken, so I'm not sure how to fix that yet. Let's see. Mainly, that's why I think it's the fuse block, the fuse box, and the relay is kind of where I need to be focusing, but I'm not fully sure if I have the battery block completely traced out yet. At least not from recollection. But that's kind of where I'm sitting at right now, is trying to get that figured out to make sure that everything kind of works copacetically. So yeah, pretty much about it. What I'm trying to figure out is why it's not cranking over. Well, sure. All right. Well, thank you very much. If you want to know anything about the engine, let me probably throw that out. The engine seems to be fine. The transmission seems to be fine. I don't have proper injectors right now for the primary. I need to find 850cc top feed injectors, which only seem to be sold in packs of 4. So if you know anywhere that I can buy a pack of 2 of 850cc injectors, the ones I have are Sumitomo clips for the secondaries. They don't need to be those, but if you find it that way, I think that would be totally fine. But yeah, I think nothing really in there has been wired up yet, because as mentioned earlier, my ECM has been walked off, and I'm not fully sure if I'm going to go with the LT9C if I can just find the ECM again, or go with like a Haltech, which is a little bit more than I would want to spend, but they are what they are. That's really about all I can think of right now. Hopefully this helps out in trying to figure out what directions I need to go with to tracing down where these wires go, because I know some of the wires go between basically behind the dash, and I'm not fully sure yes, that was some from the basically engine harness or chassis harness in the front that I moved into there. So that might go with the relay harness, but I'm not sure if that's the way they would measure that part as. That's kind of where I'm at right now. Well, thank you very much. Sorry for me rambling. Have a good day.